Hey, what's going on, y'all? My name is EA. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, thanks for joining me. If it's not, welcome back. Today we have a very special recipe, and check this out. We're going to be using my favorite, these Red Lobster cheddar baked biscuits, as a part of the ingredients. What's on the menu today? I'm glad you asked that question. Check this out. We're going to be doing a surf and turf cobbler. A surf and turf cobbler. Surf and turf cobbler. What it's going to consist of is rotisserie chicken and freshly deveined shrimp. Here's your shredded chicken, rotisserie chicken, and here's your deveined shrimp. We're going to also add a cup of chicken broth. We have a can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to be utilizing these nicely mixed vegetables here as well. But we're going to use a little cheddar cheese, and we're going to have some onions. The first thing we're going to do, y'all, the very first thing we're going to do, first of all, let me say this. We're not going to use a lot of salt. In fact, we try to avoid salt altogether. If we do use any type of salt, of course, it's low sodium. But in this case, because the rotisserie chicken already is seasoned, we're only going to lightly season the shrimp once we're sauteed along with those onions over there. We're going to lightly, season it. But we're going to use a low sodium seasoning for that. Before we go any further, we're going to go and set our oven for 350. Okay, so we set our oven for 350. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go and get this shrimp and onion sauteed. Then we're going to move it to the side. Okay, next in our baking pan, we got a stick of butter. We're going to put that in the oven and let that melt. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our cream of mushroom. Just put it inside of our chicken broth, like so. All that chicken broth, all that cream of mushroom in there, or you can use cream of chicken if you like. Set to the side. We're just going to mix well. Just mix it up really good. Okay, next up is our Red Lobster biscuit mix. Going to put that in there like so. 3/4 cups of water. Half a cup of shredded cheese, cheddar. And I like to put just a little bit of whole milk in here, just a little bit. And we're just going to mix that up. Oops, you know what I forgot? The packet. We're going to put this packet in here as well. Flavor packet. So we put that flavor packet in there. Mix well. In this case, I'm going to use a little bit more milk. You want to get somewhat of a you want to have somewhat of like a kind of soupy, not really soupy, but you want it to thicken up just a little bit, like so. That consistency. See that? Okay. Once your butter is melted in the in your baking pan, you're going to get your chicken, like so. Spread it all across the bottom of your pan, just like that. You're gonna get your shrimp and onions and do the same thing. Spread all the way across. Okay, after that step is over, you're gonna get your shredded cheese, your cheddar cheese, and you're just gonna sprinkle some, lightly sprinkle it over the top. Use however much you like. Step is your mixed vegetables. Get your mixed vegetables and just sprinkle on it on the top, just like so. This is a quick dish. Okay, so at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some garlic powder, sprinkle on the top. Onion powder. Pepper. Next step, we're going to pour our chicken stock, chicken broth, and our cream of mushroom mixture over the top of our dish. In the next step, we're gonna pour our biscuit mix over top. You're not going to stir in. You're not gonna stir it in. Just gonna pour it over the top like so. I'll pour it all over the top, just like that. Making sure that it completely covers the top of your dish. And just spoon it across. Make sure it completely covers your entire dish. Okay, at this point, all you're gonna do now is put it in the oven. Okay, see that? Okay, now we've already set the oven for 350. We're gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Bam! There you go. Hey, look here, and there you have it. Got my Surf and Turf Cobbler. A company twist right on a classic chicken cobbler, packed with flavor from that tender rotisserie chicken. On one side, mixed in with that buttery, garlicky shrimp. You got a chicken and shrimp combo here, baby. That's what you got. But look at here. I went ahead and plated it for you. I had to plate it for you. Oh yeah, that's surf and turf right there. Minus the beef and the ground beef. It's that barnyard pimp, y'all. Yeah, that turf, baby. That surf, you got that nice garlicky shrimp in there. Look at that shrimp right there, y'all. Look at that shrimp right there. Yeah, dog. And you know I had to go ahead and break a rule. And, I'm gonna lace it down with that nice salad, that nice garden salad right there, right? But look, I just wanted y'all to see this right here real quick. Yeah, you got two dishes in one, right? The creamy golden and absolutely irresistible. This is creamy golden and absolutely irresistible. Look at the crust, man. Look at that Red Lobster, biscuit, cheesy biscuit, man. That we all love. We've all learned to love it. We've grown to love that lovely, flaky Red Lobster cheesy biscuit, right? I got one last thing to say. Look, just go ahead and like and subscribe. Look at that right there. Just go ahead and like and subscribe, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with someone who loves good food, done right. Until next time, look here. Y'all gotta keep dealing. You gotta keep dining with EA. All right? The salad, the cold-blooded surf and turf cobbler, baby. You're not gonna see it. Look, you're only gonna see this dish right here on Dining with EA. Google it. You'll never find it. You won't find it anywhere else. There we go. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm out. Peace. Hey, don't forget to comment. Send me some comments. I love them. We're going to respond to all of them. Peace.